Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Swayambhurna Goa Gavo. I would like to congratulate all the government karmacharis designated as Swayambhurna Mitras, Taluk Nodal Officers, Link Officers and Swayambhurna Paryavashakas who worked tirelessly in rural as well as urban areas under Swayambhurna Goa program by organizing more than 1,900 programs benefiting 24,000 odd beneficiaries. I shall request you all to participate in India 75 Azadi Ka Amrita Mahotsav and prepare a roadmap towards development for the next 25 years. The state per capita income is rupees 5.04 lakh for the year 2020-21, which is highest in country portraying robust and healthy economy. The state has collected tax revenue of rupees 4,412.10 crore for the financial year 2021-22 as against the target of rupees 5,506.12 crore for the financial year 2021-22 through GST, VAT, CST, etc. as compared to the tax revenue of rupees 4,691.56 crore collected as against target of rupees 5,393.78 crore during the financial year 2020 and 21. 16.03 million tons of the mineral ore have been sold. Goa Amendment to the Minor Mineral Concession Rules 1985 is notified for streamlining the process for grant of minor mineral quarrying leases and approval of quarrying plans. The total royalty collected on extraction of major mineral and minor minerals is rupees 116.12 crore for the financial year 2021-22 till 31st January 2022. The construction work of MOPA airport is expected to be completed and commissioned by August 2022. These values and culture will guide my government towards attaining Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas or Sabka Prayas.